welcome back to my channel Arshia Vlogs. As you all know that Rakhi is round the corner, today's video is all about Rakhi making. I believe that making Rakhi at home is the best way to express your love for your brother. So let's get started. So today I'm going to make two Rakhis. One is Minion Rakhi and the other is flower Rakhi. So the material we need for Minion Rakhi is a black sheet and a golden sheet. We need a purple ribbon and googly eyes. There is some common stuff which we need for both the Rakhis. So one is pencil, the other is a black sketch. Then we need a circle cap to make a circle and a fevicol to stick stuff. Then for the flower one, we need beads, a pink ribbon, then a shape cutter, some stickers and a silver and purple foam sheet. So let's start with the Minion Rakhi. First, let's take a golden sheet, put a circle, trace it, and cut it. So after cutting the circle, it should look like this. Now let's take a black sheet and cut a strip out of it. After cutting the strip, it should look like this. So now let's get on to the pasting. So first, let's apply some glue on the black strip and stick it on the golden circle. After this, let's paste the googly eyes on the black strip. After this, finally, let's make a smiling face with a black sketch. So Minion's body is ready. First, let's get the extra part. Now, put one drop of fevicol on ribbon. Stick the Minion's body and leave it to dry. So let's move on to the flower Rakhi. First, let's take our purple foam sheet and cut a petal out of it. I am using a shape cutter to cut a flower shape out of silver sheet. After this, let's take a drop of glue and stick it on the petal. After pasting, it should look like this. Similarly, I have created 5 more like this. I have used this cap to make the base of the Rakhi. Now let's move on to the paste. First, let's take a sticker and paste it in the middle. Let's take the petals Apply some glue on the edges and paste them on the corners of the sticker. Similarly, let's paste all the petals on the base. First, let's wait for a few minutes to let it dry, and then we'll paste it in the middle of the ribbon. Now, let's decorate it with the help of white beads. I'm sure my brother would love these. Please like and subscribe to my channel.